In this video, I'm going to show you how to set live wallpaper for your lock screen in Windows 11. So currently this is not an officially supported feature in Windows 11, but you can use an app called Aura Wallpaper to accomplish this. So you can find this app on Steam. So go to Steam and then search for Aura Wallpaper. Click on the first one, and as you can see, it shows us some examples of how this works on a lock screen and also on an actual desktop wallpaper. And you can see the user interface of this app. As you can see, it has a lock screen wallpaper and desktop wallpaper menus where you can enable or disable the wallpapers, and you can select the source of the wallpaper. You can choose it from a YouTube video, custom URL, or other options, as you can see. This video is not affiliated with Aura Wallpaper. It's just a recommendation for a solution for lock screen live wallpapers. And that's about it for this video. Please support the developer Momo5502 by buying this app. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.